What's the meaning of callousness? Callousness. Callousness.
Callousness. Callousness. Callousness refers to a lack of empathy or sensitivity towards other people's emotions or feelings. When someone displays callous behavior, they often disregard the impact their actions or words may have on others and show little concern for their well-being. The result of callousness can be damaging to relationships, as it may lead others to feel neglected or unimportant. It can also contribute to a lack of trust, as people who display callous behavior are often seen as self-centered or uncaring. In addition, callousness can lead to negative consequences in personal and professional settings, such as conflict, misunderstandings, and decreased productivity. Ultimately, callousness can lead to loneliness and isolation, as people may avoid individuals who consistently show little regard for others.